In this video, I show you how to tie a knot to end sewing. You need this knot when you are slowly running out of thread or you have reached the end of a sewing work. Here I am slowly running out of thread, which is why I want to knot it in the back of my sewing. To do this, I first stitch the thread to the back of my sewing. Then I pull the needle out of the thread. I now loop the thread around the spot where I want to knot. With the end of the thread, I then go into the loop from below. Then I place the needle exactly where I want the knot to be. Now I pull the end of the thread. It is important to pull the end of the thread along the table. This way a knot is created at the spot where the needle was placed. Here I show it again. I place the needle where I want the knot to be. Then I pull the thread along the table and knot upwards. This creates a knot where the needle was placed. I can now cut off the excess thread.